Now I will talk about the cyberbullying is the terms used to describe when a child or adolescent is bullied, threatened, harassed, humiliated, embarrassed, or abused by another child or adolescent through the internet or any means of community such as mobile phones or tablets. It is characterized by the fact that the harassment occurs between two equals, in this case minors. Bullying and cyberbullying. Attack how to bullying fears is to exposure that a child suffers to physical and psychological damage on an intentional and repeated basis by another or groups of teams when they go to school. School bullying usually occurs during recess and line to enter class, in bathrooms, hallways, classrooms, when enter and leaving to center. Consequences of cyberbullying and bullying: low self-esteem, passive attitudes, emotional disorders, psychosomatic problems, depression, anxiety,